While we usually link strong arm to the ability to bench press or lift pounds, neither gym membership nor weights are necessary to achieve the arm tone or muscle tone of your dream. In fact, to achieve strong, fit, and sculpted muscles or arms, there are no fancy equipments required. Although, don't forget to stretch to warm up your muscle and prevent injury before taking these works or these moves. This move will strengthen your shoulders and arms with simple yet effective circular motion. You can do this exercise in a matter of minutes without any equipments. First of all, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Expand both arms out straight to the side to form a T shape with your body. Slowly rotate your shoulders and arms to make forward circles about 1 foot in diameter. Continue for 15 circles, then reverse direction and complete 15 rotation in the opposite direction. Do 3 sets total. You can build your triceps by using only your body weight. While you can do this on the floor, opting on a couch, bench, chair also work as a great base. First of all, place your hands shoulder width apart on the furniture you are propping yourself upon. Shift your pelvis and bottom forward so there are a 3 to 6 inch gap between your back and the object, giving you clearance as you dip down. Bend your legs into 90-degree angle with your feet planted on the floor, or extend them out in front of you. Slowly lower your body down and back up, focusing on engaging your triceps. Complete 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Although you can use weight for this exercise, you can use a bottle of water, and this exercise primarily focus on your bicep muscle but also work on the deltoids and the core muscles. Stand with your feet hip width apart and make sure your back straight. Hold your water bottle in hands with palm facing forward and your arm extended down to your sides. Keep your elbow close to your body as you curl your biceps, lifting the object to your shoulders in a controlled motion. Then turn your hand outward. Your palm and your wrist are pointed towards the ceiling as you press the object upwards above your head. Extend your arm all the way up to the top. Slowly bend your item back down the same way you came until your hands is on your sides in the starting position. Complete 8 repetitions with one arm, then switch to other. Aim for 3 sets on both sides. This exercise will tone your abdominal muscle as you strengthening your arm. First of all, set a timer for 1 minute before starting this exercise. Begin in an elevated plank position with your arms, your palm planted firmly on the ground. Extend your legs behind you with your toes pressing into the floor. Walk with your hands and feet to one side. Take 2 or 3 steps in one direction. Now return to the starting spot and take the same amount of steps in the other direction. Extend the exercise by 30 seconds or more as you wish. Throwing punches will burn a lot of calories. They help to tone your arm and your upper back. Begin your stance with your feet hip width apart. Begin your right arm up in a 45-degree angle with your fist just below your jawlines. Extend your arm across your body as you punch your fist at an imaginary target in front of you, but don't overextend your shoulder muscles. Throw about 15 hard punches with one arm before switching to other arm. At last, complete 4 sets on both sides.